Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to reset Yelp password. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Yelp app, and then once you are inside, what you need to do is tap on this me icon on the bottom of your screen, and once you tap on it, here you'll be sent to your Yelp login page. Now here what you need to do is select the option that says login right here, and then on tapping it you'll be getting something like this on your screen. Now all you gotta do is tap on email address right here, and then you'll get your option that says forget your password. All you gotta do is simply tap on it, and once you tap on it, here you'll be sent to this page. Tap on the email address section and then enter in the email associated with the Yelp, and once you do that, tap on reset password and the reset link will be sent to your email. All you gotta do is go back and open up your email app, and then once you open it, find the Yelp reset mail and then tap on it, and once you scroll down, you'll find the reset link right there. Tap on it and you'll be redirected to a browser. Now all you gotta do is enter in your new password and then enter it once again to confirm your password, and then follow the on-screen instructions to successfully reset your password. So that's basically what you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.